Hello, this is Shauna LeSueur for Umbra EDU. Today we're going to talk a little bit more about inclusivity. Specifically, we're going to talk about how you can use YouTube to develop closed captions. Why would you want to develop closed captions? There are a lot of students in your classes who might benefit from them. Specifically, it would help them connect with your content in a way that doesn't increase their anxiety and make sure that they can follow along with you as you're leading your video lectures. We're going to use lots of video lectures in our online environment, probably whether or not we want to, right? So let's make them accessible. Let's make them inclusive. Who are some of the people who might benefit from this? Anyone who has watched a film in their second language knows that watching that with the closed captions makes it a lot more enjoyable because you're going to be able to pick things up quicker. You're going to be able to retain that information better, right? So anyone who's in your class as an international student or anyone who is otherwise working to have a professional language acquisition for English so they actually can use it in a professional capacity, it's going to be great for them. We also might have students who have some sort of disability that would make this really useful for them. Yes, you will get messages from your students with disabilities office, whatever that may be, for any student who has gone through the ADA request process. Some students might not go through that process though, and so you may never know. Closed captioning can help lots of your students, and it can set you up for great success if you ever do get that letter from your Students with Disabilities office saying that you have to, in just a couple weeks usually, turn around your material so it's accessible for them. All right, let's get started. Here we are at the YouTube homepage. Now we're going to add subtitles to a video that we shot and uploaded to YouTube so that we can make our classes more inclusive of a greater variety of learners. How do we start? We're here on our YouTube homepage and we want to click on the icon in the top right that's your Google icon, usually looks like your face. Once you're here, you're going to go to your channel. On your channel, we're going to go to our YouTube studio. In your YouTube studio, we're going to click on your videos where you get a list of everything you've uploaded. Here, we get to choose our own adventures. Today, we're going to go with the easiest possible way to get YouTube to do the most work to create your closed captions. In a future video, we'll show you a little fancier way to make it a little tighter sooner, but this is the easiest way to get going. What we're going to do is select the video that we want to add closed captions to. The little pencil allows you to see details and edit that video. Left sidebar, very bottom, is subtitles. After I uploaded this video, YouTube already started doing the work for me. If you come back 24 hours, 48 hours, give yourself a little bit of time, they'll have automatically published, right here, some closed captions for you. But you'll notice that the closed captions are a little wonky. That's okay, not a problem at all. All you have to do is click this edit button in the top right, and now you can edit any of the subtitles to be exactly right. For example, it thinks that I said, "Hello, I'm Sean E. Lazar." That's not really what was going on there. So I'm going to change it to capital H. I'm not Sean, but Shauna. And LeSueur, not Elazar. You can make changes in every one of these blocks and you'll see what it looks like on the screen to your right as you make the changes on the left. If you want to hear it, you press play and you can press pause to stop the playback. When you're done, you go to the top right and click Save Changes. Publish. Now we have new subtitles that are more accurate, and the next time someone logs in and watches your video, they'll have good subtitles that actually reflect the work you did. YouTube did most of the work for you. So there you have it. I hope if you have to produce closed captions, you won't be doing them by hand. And I hope that you come back soon to visit me, Shauna LeSueur, at Umbra EDU for more digital tutorials.